Hi there everybody, it's Boise Valley WX, and today I got a package. This is a Midland 74210. So, I better open this thing. I don't care about reusing this box this time, so I'm just gonna force it open using my incredibly strong muscles, like I have. This was sent by EAS, Ohio, Central Ohio, Michigan, I think. I think that was his name. So this is a Midland 74210. Got the power adapter in this bag. I'm trying to be as fast as I can right now. Jesus Christ, this is taking way too long. Okay, so I got the power adapter out. This is, of course, the Midland AC adapter. It says Midland on it. And then we also got the radio. Of course, gonna unwrap the bubble wrap. Oh! CT to the buyer. Okay. Let me see what this says. Oh, set up for the Midland 74200. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Damn. Anyways, got the 74200 right here. So of course I'm gonna open this thing. Got it. And oh my god, this is taped on. Fuck. Anyways, yeah. So you got the 74200. It's nice. 303. Pretty cool. Does it come with a battery? No, it does not. I don't think he'd send me 74200 with batteries. Did I say 74210 before? If I did, no, this is a 74200. So, how about we go get to setting this thing up? Okay, so I'm gonna plug this thing in. Should have done it just now. Alert on. Place batteries. Hi WXK68. And you open this up. Let's go to the thing right here. Let's do that. And then program.
10 to 15 miles an hour.
Yes.
25 miles an hour.
We like WXK88. This is a WXK88 household. Anyways, got that, and then yes. Voice, yes. 999. Okay. So yes. So everything's set up on the thing, because I have, so that should be set up for all county codes, like all the other weather radios. So hopefully when the next civil emergency message gets issued later today for the for the fire in Jordan Valley, Oregon, I can get it. Yes, I know you don't have a 9 volt. I don't have any 9 volts. It stole all my 9 volts.